Hello guys, something has been going on for some time now and no one is talking about it, and it has become a very big problem and it is costing customers a lot of money. I mean a lot of money. We all know modern kitchen closet has been in an existence for some time now, and some people have joined this organization with bad mindset, pretending to be craftsmen or installers, scamming customers out of their hard-earned money. The first group of people we will talk about today are online scammers, aka Yahoo boys. This group of people are mostly young guys. They don't know anything about the business. All they do is go to your page, download your videos, and they will repost it on their page. Let me give you a scenario. Let's imagine I just completed my dream apartment and I want a modern kitchen, but I don't know anybody in this field to bring my dream kitchen to life. The first thing that comes to mind is to go to social media and look for craftsmen in that field. So I started my search on TikTok and I came across this guy's page. His prices was very low, so I tried to read some comments on his page, but his post comment was turned off. One red flag about these scammers is that they always turn their post comments off. Whenever you try to buy something on social media and the vendor's comment post is turned off, please don't buy, run away, because all they are trying to do is to scam you. They are not genuine. This is one of their pages. Anything you see posted here does not belong to them. When you go through, you see that all the comment posts are turned off. You see this project. This project is one of my projects. They've just downloaded the project and they've posted it on their page. So look at the price, 4,000. This kitchen, they said the kitchen is 4,000. When you pay 4,000, they'll give you everything. But my brother, the kitchen you are seeing there, even the countertop is more than 4,000. So don't even try to send them or message them. You can even see that the comment post is turned off. This is another video they made. They are claiming this set of kitchen is 6,500. You see the drawers there? That's the Bloom box cap, one of the most highest quality drawers we have in the system. It is even more than 6,500 Ghana cedis. So guys, be very mindful whenever you are trying to buy something on social media. Try to call the vendors, ask them questions, try to go to their locations and verify the place yourself. The second group of people on our list, I don't even know how to name them, but let me start from here. You see, in Woodwork, we have the carpentry side and the joinery side. When we come to the carpentry side, they are mostly focused on framing, roofing, fixing of doors and windows. When we come to joinery, they are mainly focused on making of cabinets, wardrobes, TV units, furniture. You see all this interior finishing. They are in charge of all those things. These are two sets of people specializing in a specific field. But there is this one person claiming he can do everything. One red flag about these people is that they don't have any project of their own. They don't have any portfolio. What they do is they will send you AI generated images or some 3D pictures they've downloaded on the internet. So guys, these are some of the issues we have to be educating ourselves on. At Kinrico Craft, we are specialized in kitchen cabinet and wardrobe craftsmanship. And we are also located at Dansoman Control. You can always follow us on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok or Facebook at Kinrico Craft. To my fellow cabinet makers, you can also add your experience or the problems you are facing in the comment section so we can find some solution to them. And for our lovely customers, any questions you have, you can leave them also in the comment section. We will try our best to answer them.